Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python functions with keyword arguments. So first of all, what are functions in Python programming? So function is indented block of code which is used to perform some task in a program. So coming to some technical points related to the functions, a function is used to divide a large program into small modules. Technically, it is called as modular programming. A function is defined once in a program and it can be used any number of times. So reusability is the advantage. So function eliminates repetition of code and saves wastage of memory. So basically we have two types of functions: predefined functions which come with predefined modules in Python software. Example: print function, range function, input function. And then we also have user defined functions which are defined by the developer or user as per the requirement in a Python program. So now coming to keyword arguments. So keyword arguments are those arguments or parameters to a function which allows us to call a function with arguments or parameters in random order. So here, name of the parameter or argument is used as keyword. So such keyword, name of the parameter, we can use to call a function with specific values in any order. So for example, let us say that we have student function with 3 input parameters: roll number, name, height. Okay, so I can call this function student function 1001 psi 6.2, roll number, name, height in the same order, or I can call this function roll number 1002, name, ram, height 6.0. So here roll number, name, height works like keywords and its corresponding values. So we can also change the order: name Ali, height 5.9, roll number 1003. Okay, so here if we pass different keywords or argument names, then we are going to get a error. Okay, so the keyword or argument name should be same: sname, height, roll number. So for example, if we pass it like this, okay, 1005 roll number, and then followed by height and name, so this is okay, right? So here we can pass position of the argument followed by keyword arguments. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python functions example 9. So let us take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. Right, so I'm taking a student function, roll number, name, height, and I'm printing that data, student data, roll number, name, height. So first I'm going to use with and without keyword arguments. So let us start with without keyword arguments. So I'm taking student function, roll number 1001, name, psi, height 6.2. So the order should match here. So come to the prompt where you have saved the program and run it. It's Python functions example 9. So 1001 psi 6.2. So next I'm taking here student function, So I'm passing keyword arguments, roll number 1002, name Ram, height 6.0. Save it and run. So 1002 Ram 6.0. So let us go for the next case here. Okay, now here I'm changing the order. Name Ali, height 5.9, roll number 1003, but parameter name or argument name should be same, right? So 1003 Ali 5.9. Okay, so next I'll change the order once again. So height 6.4 ma, roll number 1004, name Shiva. So save this and run. 1004 Shiva 6.4. So next, what if I give our own argument names or keyword names? So instead of roll number, I'm taking roll 1002. Instead of S name, I'm taking name Ram. Instead of height, I'm taking HITE. So in this case, the keyword argument names are not matching. You will get a error. Okay. So uncomment this and run it. So keyword argument role not found. You will get a type error. Okay. Right, now coming to the next case. Okay. So I'm calling the student function. Now here I'm taking the position of the argument. First one, roll number. It is passed as it is without using keyword argument or keyword name 1005. After that I'm using keyword arguments. Height 5.5, name Krishna. So save this and run it. So 1005 Krishna 5.5. Okay, right. So now we have one special case here ma. We can pass our own number of arguments and our own keyword names using a special parameter wstart kw args. So here we can have our own argument names and our own number of arguments or parameters. So I'm defining a function f1 double star kw args. Okay, so print with kw args, print kw args. So internally it will take that input parameter as collection of key value pairs, which is dictionary type. Okay, see the first case here. So I'm calling f1 function by passing a10 x 5.6 p true q none ss is equals to high. So 5 key value pairs are passed as dictionary type to kw args. So print it. Okay, so a10 x 5.6 p true q none ss high. So next I'm taking here f1 function, roll number 1001, name Sai, height 6.2. Okay, so our own keyword names, roll number, name, height, and our own number of arguments. So first case 5 key value pairs, second case 3 key value pairs, our own keyword names or argument names, and this is possible through double star kw args. So this is how we are supposed to work with functions with keyword arguments, and we have a special case here, double star kw args. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.